MP babe Mawik Khumalo Ntungwa siyabonga isikhatsi sakho selifikile ilanga lelibalulekile kuvula kwePhalamende lonyaka kuhlangana nekuthilivela halalisela ingonyama ku 40 years solo yabekwe esihlelweni seBukhosi beningahalalisani thini kuyo ingonyama.
There is one thing lengathi kumbe inkosi over and over and over again beyicela ukuthi ngicela ipeace, and I think ipeace kulelive not only has it been granted, but inkosi yendile ukuthi lelive libe nekuthula. Lamhla ngaba sikhuluma ngalo 40 years because engcenye ngabe tinto tibhedzile emaveni lamanye ukuthi tinto tende kanjani, but because inkosi is a very humble person, a very soft spoken somebody, his approach to national issues has been very stable. That is why today we are here. And I think now it's not only just what is celebrated scene, but we need to celebrate him.
Nalanga namhla selifikile Mntungwa, what are your expectations uma iphefumula ingonyama, especially siyathi ukuthi eMaswati kukhona lapho mhlambe anema concerns kukhula kwetinto nani unemployment donke le into le.
Well, cabanga ukuthi uningi lokufanele sikwende this time. I am one of those who would say, hey, sisangakayijabulisi thina bePhalamende le. Sisangakayijabulisi. Siyadzinga ukuthi sende ngqono kumbe ukuthi siyijabulisi. Ngiyakubuka kwami, judging by all the other parliaments that I've been, kulena we are yet to kuyijabulisa.
Siyabonga Ntungwa. Yewakho. Mana nginamahle sisaqhubeka ingasonzela induna. Sisaqhubeka bekunene sesinenduna itiko letakhiwe lapha kube inhlanhla lenkulu nje ukuthi sithole induna sinvusele induna namhlekuseni. Sitawuqala nje sicela induna ukuthi ngabe kubuta